What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Mitch, and I make videos about how to fix, build, and increase your credit score. I also speak about tips and tricks, about the credit world that nobody speaks about, so stay tuned as I'm going to be making videos like that. I'm going to be uploading 3 videos per week, so you should definitely consider subscribing. Alright, so enough of that. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about what is a credit card. I know that everybody knows what a credit card is, but, for my younger audience, for my nieces and nephews, I decided to create this, this video, to explain it, to explain it better to them, because a lot of people are visual learners, and when your brain sees an image and sees a writing, it's more likely to retain the information than for me to just say. So this is how I teach. So if this is something you like I said before, consider subscribing. Alright, so enough of that. Sorry about that. So what is a credit card? So what is this? What is these pieces of plastics? So I wrote it down here for you guys. That I actually got it from Nerd Wallet. So, but I like how they described it. So, a credit card allows you to borrow money from a bank to make purchases, whether you're buying a burger or a round trip ticket to France. As long as you pay back the money within the grace period of 25 to 30 days, it's usually 30 to 31 days, guys. You don't have to pay extra, and what I mean extra is like the interest rates or the late fees. If you don't pay it back in that time period, you'll have to pay interest, a percentage of the money you owe to the bank, on top of what you borrowed. So that's pretty much a good explanation. I hope you guys, pause the video and read it so you guys can understand it. I'm sure you guys already understand this, but this, like I said before, it's for my younger audience. I made this video specifically for my nieces and nephews so I can direct them to this video. I also got the pros and cons from a credit card. So what are the pros? You can make a large purchases now and pay it off in smaller amounts over time, which I don't recommend because you end up paying a lot of interest, but it is a pro though. On the con, like I said before, like I said it right now, you can easily dig yourself into debt if you're not careful about your spending. Number 2, pro. Carrying credit card is more convenient and safer than carrying a wad of cash. 100%. So, because for example, if you lose your money and you drop it on the floor, that's it, you're done. If you lose your credit card and somebody else, picks it up and starts spending it, hey, you didn't authorize that amount, so you can just call your credit card company and you're free and clear. So that's why I love credit cards. They're more widely accepted than personal checks. True, nobody uses checks, back 10 years from now, not even 10 years from now, whatever. What are the cons? The ease of using credit card can cause you to overspend. Exactly, because once you don't see the money cash and you don't see it declining from your wallet, you're just swiping. You don't physically see how much money you're spending. What are the pros? With responsible use, you can build your credit, which can be so important. I'm gonna take you guys on another video. This is not the video for it, but it's just so important for credit card. It's just so important later, okay? Missing payments or maxing out a credit card can sink your credit score quickly. Yes, this is a big 100%, because what I want people to understand, that maxing out your credit card is as bad as having a collections account on your credit report. Like I said before, I get into that subject in a different video. Another pro is many credit cards give you rewards, essentially giving you back 1% or more of the money you spend. So for example, that is true. For this one, I get 5% cash back depending on the month that they're giving rewards. Like for example, this month they're giving groceries and gasoline 5% back, which, hey, that's free money. What are the cons? Interest can make even a small debt become large over time. Yes, that is true. You don't want to be refinancing your freaking Taco Bell, because let's say for example you spend Taco Bell $3 and you're just making the minimum payment. Over time, that Taco Bell is going to cost you about like $20-$30. Alright guys, that is it for now. Hopefully I didn't make this video too long, and hopefully I didn't bore you with all this geek credit card talk. I hope this helps you, or you can pass it down to your nieces and nephews. So that is it for now, guys. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope this video earns your thumbs up or even your thumbs down. Regardless, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch it. All the links are going to be down in the description. If you want to follow me on Instagram, check out what is it that I do. Check following videos that might be helpful as well. More about this topic, turn on your notifications. I hope you guys have an amazing day. And remember, guys, let's outsmart these creditors. Take care, guys.